Namaskar children, I Shraddha ma'am from Nirvana Global Kids welcome you all to our UKG English Montessori Methodology presentation. Let us start our class with a prayer children. Close your eyes and join your hands. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Stay quiet for a while, children. Listen to what is happening around you. The sweet chirping sounds of the birds, the moving air. Rub your hands, put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar. So children, what had we done in our last class? We learned CBC I sound. What is the sound of I? I sounds I. I sounds I. Okay. So for our revision purpose, let us start random reading of these words from the phonetic word list of I sound words. We will do some reading and then a short exercise and then we will go ahead. Okay. Let us read. लिप 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 इसके पहले मैंने आपको सेपरेट करके सिखाया था. अब आपको एक साथ रीड करना आना चाहिए. लिप. ओके. बीड बीड बिड नील 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 हिम हिम लीड lead bin bin tip tip hit hit wit 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 jig 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 kin 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 fix fix nip nip kit kit dim 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 big 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 win 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 mix mix bit bit wig wig six six mid mid din din rig rig pit pit. This was our phonetic word list I sound words, which was our revision of the last video. Along with this, we will do a short exercise. Okay children, these are some I sound word pictures. These are some I sound word pictures. Let us associate them with their words. Let us take the words. These are the words. Okay, let us take the first word children. It says lead 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 lid. Where is the picture of a lid? This is the picture of a lid. Lid. Dhakkan. Lid. Next is pin. 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 Where is the pin? This is a pin. 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 Next is wig. 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 Where is the picture of a wig, children? Wig. 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 Nib. 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 Where is a nib? Here is the picture of a nib. 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 Zip. 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 This is the picture of a zip. Zip. So we are done with the revision of our CBC I sound words. I says I. I says I. I says I. What is our first vowel, children? Our first vowel is A. A says A. A says A. What is our second vowel? E. 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 Next is I. I says I. I says I. Let us read some more words, children. Rob. 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 Sob. 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 Nod. 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 Rod. 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 Fog. 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 Jog. 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 Hop. 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 Cop. 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 Hop. To. Hop. To. Hop. To. Hot. 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 Lot. 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 So out in these all these words, children, which sound did we hear? We heard the sound of O. 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 This means today we are going to learn our CBC O sound words. O says O. O says O. A, E, I, O. O says O. O says O. This is the reading of our O sound words. Now let us see our phonetic list of O sound words, children. Let us see the first word. G-o-t. 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 Got. Got. N-o-t. 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 Not. Not. Job. 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 Hog. 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 Fox. 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 Dot. 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 Lot. 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 Rob. 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 Fob. 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 Bob. 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 Pop. 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 Rot. 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 K-o-b, k-o-b, cob. K-o-d, k-o-d, cod, cod. H-o-p, h-o-p, hop, hop. M-o-p, m-o-p, mop, mop. R-o-d, r-o-d, rod, rod. T-o-p, 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 top, top. K-o-t, k-o-t, cot, cot. M-o-b, m-o-b, mob, mob. D-o-g, d-o-g, dog, dog. D-o-t, 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 tot. F-o-g, 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 fog, fog. H-o-t, 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 hot. P-o-d, p-o-d, pod, pod. S-o-b, s-o-b, sob, sob. L-o-b, l-o-b, lob, lob. D-on, don, d-on, don. B-ox, box, b-ox, box. H-ob, hob, h-ob, hob. B-o-g, b-o-g, bog, bog. J-o-g, j-o-g, jog, jog. L-o-g, l-o-g, log. P-o-t, p-o-t, pot. S-o-d, s-o-d, sod. K-o-n, k-o-n, corn. So, we are done with the reading list of phonetic word list O sound words. Now we will see a short activity. So children, for our O sound word activity, picture to word association box 4 activity, what will we do? See the pictures, read the words, and then we will associate them, match them. Okay, let us start with the first word, children. It says fox, 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 fox. Where do you see the picture of a fox, children? Is this a fog or fox? Is this a fox or is this a fox? Out of the 3 animals, which one is the fox? This is the picture of a fox. Fox, fox. Okay, next is top, 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 top. Top is a toy. Out of these pictures, where do you see the picture of a toy, children? Where is the picture of a toy? This is the picture of a toy. Top, top, top. Okay. Next word, pot, 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 pot. Where is the picture of a pot, children? Out of these 6 pictures, where do you see a pot? What do we do with a pot? We plant plants in the pot. Yes, we grow plants in the pot. Where is the pot? This is the picture of a pot. Pot, pot. Next is hog, 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 hog. Hog is an animal. Hog is an animal. So, is this a hog? No, this is a dog. This is a hedgehog. It is also called a hog. Hog, hog. Next is the picture of a, word log, 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 log. Where do you see the picture of a log? Log is a piece of wood. Log is a piece of wood. Where do you see the piece of wood, children? Here. Log. 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 Next word is pod. 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 Where do you see pod? Pod. This is a pod. Pod means मटर का छिलका. Pod. Pod. Next word mop. 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 Mop से हम क्या करते हैं? We mop the floor. हम उस पे क्या करते हैं? पोछा लगाते हैं mop से. So out of these two, which is the picture of a mop? Yes, this is the picture of a mop. Mop. And the last word is dog. 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 This is the picture of a dog. Okay. Pot. Pot. O sound. O sound. Hog. Hog. Dog. Dog. Fox. Fox. Mop. Mop. Log. Log. Pod. Pod. Top. Top. So children, this was our activity and these are our phonetic word list of O sound. You can write this in your notebook and read them daily. So we are done with our A, E, I, O sound word presentation. अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है या कोई भी वर्ड, कोई भी साउंड समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज फील फ्री टू कॉल अस. थैंक यू. नमस्कार.